Hi, I'm here at PNSQC in Portland with Melissa Tondi of Rainforest. And Melissa has a couple of passions, I would guess, besides quality assurance, fly fishing and golf. And so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how do you apply quality principles to fly fishing? Because I want to improve that myself. My golf game's hopeless.
Okay, all right. Well, so as you know, knot tying is a key component to fly fishing, and there are right ways to tie knots, and there are absolutely wrong ways to tie knots. So one of the principles that I apply that I would certainly be a quality check is not only tying the correct knot as I believe it to be, but to have a double check, right? That validation, trust, and then verify, right? So really kind of looking it over. If I'm fishing with somebody else, I will have my fly fishing partner check it over as well to make sure, because there's nothing worse than having a nice big fat brown trout on and then all of a sudden your rig is gone because your knot doesn't hold. So you know, you can obviously have your own individual quality checks. I can look at that knot and have a pretty decent understanding of how high of a quality knot that is, but it's always nice to have those second set of eyes on there to make sure that things look good, it's seated correctly, and that eventually it is going to hold that big fat brown trout on there eventually.
So, you know, the lesson here is don't fish alone.
That is a good lesson, absolutely.
Thanks, Melissa.
Absolutely.